Thank you for tuning into this segment of our recent workshop, 10 Things I Wish I'd Asked My Lawyer. In the next video, George will be answering the question, my daughter drove our car into the neighbor's porch while playing hooky from school again. How much will it cost me? Enjoy your viewing.
Oh, how we love our children drivers. Now, my daughter is here to hear this. Here are the facts from a real 2009 case. Daughter was driving father's car, 2 passengers in the car. She was in the middle lane, recognized she needed gas, decided to turn right to enter a gas station. Now, unfortunately, there was a car in her blind spot to the right. So when she turned right, she collided with the car. Serious accident, totaled the father's car. Now for me, that alone is enough of a tragedy. It gets worse. But the driver and the passengers were injured. The passenger in the back seat of the car was seriously injured and life-flighted from the accident in a coma. Fortunately, she recovered. Neck and back fractures, more than 8 months in a body cast, with the likely prospect of pain for the rest of her life. Neck and back pain for the rest of her life. Okay. Is the driver liable for that accident? Yes, absolutely. We are always responsible for our own injuries. Are the driver's parents responsible for that accident? Yes. The father received a letter before the child injured in the back seat got out of the hospital that the insurance company had paid policy limits for the medical costs to date of that injured person. Very, very serious problem. Next slide, Larry. There's an interesting law in Georgia. Parents are liable for the injuries caused by their children. But there's a limit even for willful and intentional injuries. So, and that limit is $10,000 plus court costs. So parents do have some liability protection in Georgia for the injuries caused by their children. But there's an exception under the family purpose car doctrine. If you provide a car to a minor child and the child is living in your home, the parent is fully responsible for the injuries of that child. Without a $10,000 threshold or ceiling limit, you're fully responsible for the injuries created by that child. Now, if you have a child outside of the home, plaintiff's lawyers aren't going to let you off the hook easily. The litigators will try you under a negligent entrustment theory if the child is driving your car. Well, we're on the subject of parental liability. Truancy is an interesting issue in Georgia. Children not going to class. It only takes 8 to 10 days before it becomes criminal truancy. Now, it's interesting that the state and the schools have recognized that truancy is one of the markers of parental neglect. So if a child is out of school for whatever reason, the parents can be arrested. The penalty that judges seem to favor at this point is 1 day in jail for the parents for every day that the children are out of school. Now, I have to think twice about taking my grandchildren to Disney World like I used to take my children when they were younger, because we missed a lot of days of school.
We hope you enjoyed that video segment. Other questions that were answered at a recent workshop can be located on our website at our Education and Resources page. Our website address is www.MendenFreiman.com.
For additional information about these topics or our firm, please contact us through our website or call our office at 770-379-1450. We look forward to hearing from you.